How to make a credit card payment in Fifth Third Bank. First of all, log into your Fifth Third Bank online account at 53.com using your user ID and password. Once logged in, go to the Transfer and Pay section from the main menu. Next, select your credit card account as the payment recipient. Choose the account you want to pay from, such as your checking or savings account. Enter the payment amount you wish to pay towards your credit card balance. Select the payment date. You can make an immediate payment or schedule one for a future date. Review all your payment details carefully to make sure everything is correct. Finally, click on Submit or Confirm to complete your credit card payment. You will receive a confirmation message once your payment is successfully processed. And that's it. Now you know how to make a credit card payment in Fifth Third Bank. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more banking tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.